Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add someone to Google Chat. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have uploaded my Google Chrome browser on my computer and I'm going to show you how we can add someone to Google Chat from computer. First of all, we need to go to the Google Apps right here and then we're going to select Chat. And if we want to find someone or add someone to the Google Chat, we need to search the name first. Or we can type in the email address of someone who wants to add to the Google Chat. And for example, I'm going to add this account. Oops, sorry. Okay, this one guys, I'm going to click on this one, and after you edit the account and after you add someone to the Google Chat, you can send them message with the Google Chat and you will be able to use the feature in the Google Chat right here. And I'm just going to send a message like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add someone on Google Chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.